In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record inventory in Wave. This is a straightforward process that will only take a few minutes of your time, and it's essential for keeping your finances organized and up to date. So let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through every step of the way. First, head over to the Wave accounting website. Once you're there, you'll want to look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. If you already have an account, you can simply proceed to log in. Otherwise, you'll need to sign up and create one. For today's purposes, we'll assume you have your account ready and waiting. Next up, you'll see an option to sign in with Google, a convenient feature if you're looking to streamline your login process with an existing Google account. When you click this option, a window will appear, allowing you to select your Google account. Choose the relevant one, and you're in. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to Create New. This step is a gateway to adding various kinds of financial data. Here lies the crux of inventory management in Wave: recording bills. So go ahead and click on Bill. After selecting Bill, it's time to enter some vital information. You'll begin by choosing the vendor from whom you've purchased your inventory. Wave makes this easy by offering a drop-down menu where you can select the correct vendor. This helps keep better track of where your inventory is coming from, and can come in handy during tax season or when managing supplier relationships. With your vendor selected, the next step is choosing the item you're purchasing. Again, a handy drop-down will appear, allowing you to select the precise item from your inventory list. This aids in maintaining accurate records of what you have in stock at any given time. Now, let's adjust the quantity and the price of the items you're entering. It's crucial to ensure this information is accurate, as it directly impacts your financial statements. Carefully enter how many units you've purchased and the cost. This step allows you to monitor your expenses and manage cash flow effectively. Finally, you're ready to wrap up the recording process. And how do you do that? Simply click on the Save button. This action will record your new inventory, updating all associated records within your Wave account. And there you have it. You're all done with recording inventory in Wave. Remember that consistent record keeping facilitates smoother financial management and promotes overall business health. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started. Here's to organized finances and successful inventory management.